What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing 454. I have no idea if I'm going to be catching a lot of fish or not. Last time I came to the spot, kicked to my butt, I wasn't able to hook up on a ton of fish. Hopefully that changes today. We'll see, guys. See if we can catch any fish. Let's get to it. Alright, everybody, so I'm going to be starting off right here in this area. Last time I started off right here and I made my way that way, and I also fished with topwater over there and it seemed pretty good. So I'm going to start off not with the frog this time, but I'm going to start off with a popper. Time check is currently 7:41 in the morning. Not bad, guys. The water's pretty calm. These past few days have been pretty rainy, so these fish should be pretty active today, guys. See if I can get a topwater bite, guys. I haven't caught a fish on a popper in quite some time, so I want to do that today. Get a big topwater blow up. I don't care if it's a small fish, and start off with that. See if we can catch one, guys, and then I'll switch up to a Cinco or maybe a bandito bug and then go from there, guys. So hopefully we can catch any. Let's get to it. Alright, guys, so I did not get any bites on topwater, not even a little blow up. So I'm gonna be switching up to these Strike King. These are called Smoky Shad. These are the ones I used in the last video. They worked really well here at the lake. They've been working pretty good. These fish have been feeding on like shad and a bunch of little bluegills, so this represents it pretty good, guys. Gotten a ton of bites on these. These never disappoint. But if that doesn't work out, guys, I'll go ahead and switch up to a bandito bug and see if that works out. But most of the time this usually works out, and there are some big fish here, guys, so hopefully we can land a big fish or just any fish in general, guys. I would not mind. See how many we can land today. I'll go ahead and start off with this and see if I can catch any, guys. Let's get to it. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. I've been fishing for a while now. Not a giant, but I'll take it. Get over here, buddy. Please, I don't want to lose this guy. Hey, he jumped in the yak. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it, guys. All right, guys, there we go. First fish of the day. Not a giant. About 1.5 pounds. About the same size that I've been catching. Fought very hard, guys. Not a bad fish. He was running with my line. He was running with my bait. Not a bad fish, guys. Go ahead and let this fish go. Guys, before I release this fish, it's kind of weird. He's missing a piece of his fin right here. That is weird, guys. If you know what that is, let me know down in the comments below. But anyway, go ahead and let this fish go. Fought very hard. There he goes, back in the water. The water's pretty warm here. Not bad, guys. Pretty cold today compared to the other mornings. It's currently like 70 degrees or so. So I really don't know where these fish are hanging out, but the water's pretty warm here, warmer than that side. So just need to find warm water, and it seems like that's where they're hanging out, guys. Not bad. Not a bad first fish of the day. Keep fishing, see if we can catch any more, guys. I'm kind of used to fishing already, like in 100-degree weather, and when this weather changes, oh my gosh, it just hits me. This morning was probably like 70 when I was like done with the first cove. I was like, yo, it's kind of chilly. It's 70 degrees and I'm cold. Don't know what's up. Oh, I just got a bite, guys. Oh, he let it go though. Come back. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a bad one. I think this is a little fish that bit right now. Not a giant. Get in the net. Wow, guys, I need to work on my net job. I just suck at netting fish. Not a bad fish, guys. Not a giant. Smaller than the last one. Way smaller than the last one. I wasn't gonna fish this area, but I mean, hey, I caught a fish, guys. I don't care. I fished it, caught a small fish. Not a giant, guys, but at least we're catching fish today. 2 down. It's barely 8:40, guys. I've been fishing for some time, but it's been pretty good, guys. I still have a lot left to fish. I'm gonna really fish this area today and see if I can catch some fish, guys. Hopefully we can catch some more. Not a bad fish though. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. See if we can catch another one, guys. A bite. There you go, guys. Third fish of the day. Not a giant one once again. Little guy. All right. We get it. You can flop. Not a bad fish, guys. Third fish of the day. Keep getting smaller and smaller, guys. That's how it is with me when fishing. Welcome to JJ Fishes, where we only catch small fish, guys. Not a bad fish. I don't mind, guys. 3 fish. Why did I hold up 2? 3 fish in total today so far. Still have a lot to fish, guys. Not bad. Time check is currently 8:57. Not a bad fish, guys. Go ahead and let this fish go. There. Whoa! Did y'all see that? Like literally skipped over there. Not a bad fish, guys. Keep fishing, see if we can catch any more. Let's get to it. All right, guys, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I really tried my best to catch a 4th fish of the day, but it wasn't happening, guys. I fished for about an hour and a half more without a bite and probably missed 1 fish. 1 fish chased it up, but not a bad day, guys. I caught 3 fish in total today. Not bad. Usually I catch around 3 fish, but pretty good day today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.